In the heart of the historic district of Merida, Mexico, a city known for its slow pace of life, cobblestone streets, and pastel-colored colonial houses, stands a residence that breathes new life into its past without abandoning its history. The house is called Itzimná house, a home not simply renovated, but re-celebrated as a beautiful dialogue between colonial heritage and modern comfort. From the outside, the building appears unassuming. Its white walls reflect the warm Yucatan sun, giving it a calm and unobtrusive feel. But that simplicity hides something deeper, a promise that behind the muted facade lies a rich and surprising journey. And indeed, once you step inside, the house unfolds like an old story updated with a contemporary twist. The facade of the house has been preserved almost entirely. The high colonial ceilings, thick old wooden doors, and aged floors are traces of a history still held dear. But as you move inside, the atmosphere begins to change. Light increases, spaces feel more open, and the architecture slowly transforms. From a historical atmosphere, you're transported to contemporary spaces that are bright, clean, and free-flowing. These changes never feel forced, as if the house was destined to evolve with the times. One of the greatest strengths of Itzimná house is the connection between the interior and its tropical garden. Large openings connect the living room to the verdant courtyard, making the boundary between interior and exterior almost disappear. Semi-open corridors offer a play of light that changes throughout the day. And every step takes you from shade to sunlight, from cool stone floors to the scent of damp earth and tropical leaves rustling in the breeze. In this house, nature isn't just decoration. It's part of the experience of the space. The materials used enrich the story of Itzimná house. The traditional patterned pasta tiles create a warm and nostalgic feel. Local wood with its natural brown hues provides a deep texture. Traditional plaster walls create a soft feel, while wooden ceilings retained from the old structure convey a strong character that modern materials can't replicate. The result is a space that feels authentic but not dated, elegant but not overdone. All materials were chosen not only to look beautiful, but to unite past and present in a harmonious language. The interior of this house is organized in the language of tropical minimalism. The living room is open and simple, allowing natural light to be the primary element that enlivens the atmosphere. The dining area faces the garden, making every meal feel like part of a natural experience. And the bedrooms, designed as private pavilions, exude a sense of total tranquility, complete with openings that lead to more private green nooks. Each space offers a different visual and emotional experience, yet all remain connected by a thoughtful harmony of materials, light, and simplicity. At the rear of the house, you'll find one of the most serene elements, a long swimming pool that serves as the heart of the home. The blue water reflects off the white facade, the surface glistening in the sunlight, and the surrounding green foliage adds visual freshness. The atmosphere is quintessentially Yucatan, warm, humid, yet always refreshing. The pool isn't just a place to soak, it's a transitional space, a place to meditate, to observe the evening sky, or simply to enjoy the silence. And ultimately, Itzimná house isn't just a renovation project. It embodies how architecture can preserve the past while providing the comforts of the present. This house demonstrates that the past doesn't have to be abandoned. Old structures, decades-old details, all can become the foundation for creating something more beautiful, more personal, and more meaningful. This is the essence of wise restoration, not replacing, but reviving. For those interested in tropical design, the restoration of old buildings, or the blend of tradition and modernity, Itzimná house is a rich source of inspiration. It's a perfect example that the best house isn't the newest, or the biggest, or the most luxurious, but the one that tells a story and dares to rewrite it in a new way. A house that reminds us that architecture isn't just about form and space, but about how we value time, history, and the constant movement of life.